We will now use the first general formula for partial fractions in this example. The question is 5x minus 1 over x squared minus 1. Remember that before we can split this fraction into its partial fractions, we need to fully factorize the denominator. So x squared minus 1 may be factorized into x plus 1 times x minus 1. From here, we may rewrite it in its partial fractions. Each of this partial fraction takes one of the factors in the denominator here to be its new denominator. Our job now is to try achieve common denominator for the right hand side. We may multiply x minus 1 to top and bottom of this fraction and multiply x plus 1 top and bottom to this fraction. Since now both sides would have the same denominator, we may equate the numerators only. On the left hand side, 5x minus 1 equals to a times x minus 1 plus b times x plus 1. Combining with the cover-up method, in order to get rid of a, we may cover up this part by letting x be 1. So, substituting x equals to 1, we get 5 minus 1 equals to b times 2. Solving for b, we get b equals to 2. Similarly, in order to solve for a, we may cover up this part by letting x be negative 1. Substitute the value negative 1 into the equation, we get negative 6 equals to negative 2a. Solving it, we get a equals to 3. Upon finding the values for a and b, we may now write it into the general formula. So, we get 3 over x plus 1 plus 2 over x minus 1.